Did you know that this tiny body shift will reveal what is true for you? In today's video, we're going to explore a couple of variations on the pendulum test, which is how your body is naturally showing you and guiding you towards what is right and true for you. So thank you for joining me. I'm AmyC with You Finding You. I'm an intuitive and transformational coach. And currently, if you check in the dialog box below, you'll see there are links to the Body Wisdom Way, which is a community where we connect within. We start to really tap into how your body is communicating with you and giving you guidance and really showing you deep down what is true, what is your path, what is your purpose. So again, do come over and check that out. Links are in the dialog box below. So years ago, I was visiting a friend and she shared Oracle card deck with me, and we were pulling cards, we were having fun, we were really enjoying it. And I was like, I want this deck. I want this deck of cards and to be able to play with it and connect with it more. And so we went to a bookstore where there was a shelf of Oracle card decks. And I did pull out that deck, but then as I was looking and exploring other ones, I was like, oh my gosh, there's so many here that I love and would love to explore more. So my friend actually, I had a couple different decks and I was debating about, and I was like, I really don't need all of these different card decks. So she introduced me to one of the different ways that you can tap in and see, like holding the decks and seeing how your body resonates or doesn't resonate with the deck. So we'll go ahead and jump into this and you'll see what I mean here in this example. So go ahead, and if you want to explore this with me, you can get seated and do it so you're actually more upright. You can also do it standing, and it might actually be a little bit more clear if you're standing. So again, whatever way you want to explore this, but the first example is this one where my friend introduced it to me, and I had one deck in one hand and the other in my other hand, and it was just connecting into taking a breath and feeling which way my body felt drawn, or if my hand felt drawn to me, and allowing it to happen naturally, like seeing and even asking my body, which one do I feel drawn to, or asking of the cards, which one would like to come home with me, and then seeing what happened, like letting the body just naturally shift and go to it. So if you have right now a question in mind, you could even explore this right now. And maybe you're trying to make a decision between one thing or another. Place one choice, one decision in one hand, and place the other in the other hand, and then ask, like, which one feels right for me? Which one feels more that I'm drawn to? And allow yourself. And it's not getting up into the thoughts, it's coming down, feeling into your body, and taking a nice deep breath into your body, and then allowing your body to shift. And again, your hand might come towards your body or your body towards your hand, and just noticing and allowing it to happen. And now another way that you can do this is asking your body, show me a yes, and then asking your body, show me a no. And if you're standing, again, this is much easier. And a lot of times, if it's a yes or no, you'll feel yourself pulled forward or you'll feel yourself leaning back. And it's really, really subtle. So if you take a breath right now and allow yourself to settle into this, ask your body, show me a yes. What is a yes in your body? Like for myself, you might even feel this of opening up, more expansive, maybe even leaning forward, going forward into it. Or maybe even leaning back, like just noticing what your body does. And then ask your body, show me a no. And like for myself, I'm noticing just a slight tightness and I am pulling back a little bit. Like this is me going into a no. And again, it's super subtle. So it's just taking a moment and letting your body settle into it. So show me a yes, and then show me a no. And allowing yourself to really just be in that and notice what happens in your body. And like I was feeling the yes going expansive and the no pulling back, but it was so subtle that it's like you might not even see it on the camera, but I feel this tiny little shift in my body. So then we have those first two ways of the decisions in either hand and see which one you're pulled towards, and then show me yes and no. And the other one is kind of a combination of these where you can have something, and like I've seen this where someone might have vitamins in their supplements in their hand and they're like, does my body need this? And you'll feel drawn to it. So this is another way of checking in with your body, of saying, does my body need this? Do I want this? Is it something that is right for me? And you'll feel yourself drawn towards it. And if you don't need it, you'll feel yourself pulling away. So it's another way, again, similar ideas of the first two of being pulled towards or away, and allowing your body to be the one that is guiding you. Because really, your body is you. So it's not like you're going to be giving yourself guidance that you don't want or need. And your body is always telling you the truth. So our thoughts are the ones that are going back into the past and into the future and confusing things and wanting to stay safe, where your body is like, this is what is true for you. So when you can connect in and tap into that, you're really starting to listen to your inner guidance and your inner knowing. So have a play with this. Like, try it out. Go into stores and see if there's certain things you're trying to make a choice on, or even decisions you're trying to explore and see what happens. And really just play with it. Like, have fun and get curious. And I would be curious, do share in the comments below if you've tried any of these, what you've explored, what has happened for you. Do share. And thank you guys for joining me today. Again, if this has resonated with you, come over, check out the Body Wisdom Way. I'd love to see you there on the inside. And thank you again, guys. If you have enjoyed and gotten value out of this video, do hit that like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.